G'day from Australia, Towbars Performance. Today we've got a chance to present Westfalia BC80 LED bike rack. It happens to be my personal favorite of the bike racks, and let's have a look at it. So at the moment it's loaded with two bikes, and that's what it comes with as standard. It comes with the 13-pin electrics, which is compatible with most European integrated wiring kits. The bike rack is lockable. You've got the key, you can lock it on your tow ball. It comes with a little lock cover as well, so no one can steal it from you. You've got space for two bikes. So bike number one, first you clamp the frame with this clamp. It's really easy. It's just open and clamp it down, and then you clamp the wheels with these straps. There's a strap for the back wheel and a strap for the front wheel. The function that I like with this bike rack is that it's a fully lockable one. So if you've got a set of good bikes that you don't want anyone to take, you lock them on your bike rack, and no one can undo it. This bike rack comes with a set of so it's the only bike rack from Westfalia that comes with a set of full LED lights. They give you a little bit of a smiley face, in the shape of a smiley face at the bottom. There is a couple of options for this bike rack. You can get an extension which is present on this particular bike rack. I normally tow 3 bikes, so this is an extension. It's a little bit smaller than a normal one, but not too much. It fits normal size, standard size bike, and also it fits the kids' bikes once you adjust the width for the wheels. The little straps, they come with like a rubber bands normally, which if you've got a set of carbon wheels, you can protect them so they don't get too much strain on them when you're traveling. Yeah, this one is rated to 80 kilograms for on the ball weight, so you can easily get 3 bikes on it, and you can travel up to 130 kilometers per hour. So additional function of this bike rack is the tilt function, which all of them bike racks have. And what you do, you press onto the lever, and the bikes fall down all the way down. So you can access your boot pretty much on any vehicle. What I really like about it as well is when you're mounting it onto your tow ball, and it fits on a normal standard 50mm tow ball. This lever sort of mounts it and secures it onto the tow ball. And it's very easy to do, for a person with a average sort of strength. You've got quite a good lever. It's not hard to clamp it on, and my partner, who's half the size of me, can do it quite easily. If you need a bike rack, being in Westfalia or any other brand, Australia Towbars Performance is very happy to help, and our friendly team is awaiting your call. Thank you for watching, guys, and have a great day.